All right, so now we're going to see how the pose control feature of AI video works. So first we have to type in a prompt. So something like photo shoot of a woman on the beach in a flowing dress staring over her shoulders. So I'm going to select pose control out here and upload an image, all right, for pose control. So I'm going to select this image. Let me show you how it looks. All right, this is Salma Hayek. All right, so I'm going to select this, wait for it to upload, and then click on generate. It takes a few seconds to generate. So, all right, here we go. So this is how pose control would work.